How to set up automatic payments in the Chase app. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you guys how to easily set up your automatic payments in the Chase app. The first thing you're going to have to do is open up the application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, in order to set up your automatic payments, you obviously need a card connected to your account. And once that is done, you can just go ahead and tap on Pay and Transfer option at the bottom, right besides accounts. And once you tap on that option, you'll have different buttons here that says pay bills, send money with Zelle, and many more. You can just go ahead and tap on the pay bills option. And if you haven't already set up your automatic payments, then you can just go ahead and add a new payee. Tap on that button and set it up. Once you set that up, you can select which account you want to choose to pay and choose the bill or the automatic payment that you want to set up. Once you've done that, just enter the amount and then tap on schedule, and you should be able to set up an automatic payment using the Chase Bank. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.